The Yezdi Roadster has been updated to comply with the new OBD2 emission norms, and the bike also gets performance upgrades. Here's what's new on the Roadster. It is the bikemaker's most affordable product, competing directly with the Royal Enfield Meteor 350. Price: Yezdi Roadster, Smoke Grey, Inferno Red, Glacial White, comes at a price of Rs 206,142. The Crimson Dual-Tone variant of the bike costs Rs 208,829, prices ex-showroom Delhi. Features: the Yezdi Roadster comes with a fully digital instrument console, which shows details such as real-time mileage, distance to empty, gear position, including other telltale information. The Dark series of the Roadster features an all-black theme with bar-end mirrors and a short fly screen, while the Chrome series gets a metallic finish on its powertrain and exhaust units, with also a tall windscreen for optimum wind protection. This variant gets conventional mirrors instead of bar-end units. All the variants, however, come with a cushioned backrest, adding to pillion comfort. Engine: the Yezdi Roadster is powered by a single-cylinder, 334 cubic centimeters, fuel-injected, liquid-cooled, OBD2 compliant engine, which is derived from Jawa Perak. This engine puts out 29.64 PS and 28.95 Nm, and it works in conjunction with a 6-speed gearbox. Compared to the Bobber, the Roadster's engine has been tuned differently, to better suit the bike's character. As a part of the OBD2 update, Yezdi has also tuned the exhaust, along with offering a bigger rear sprocket for better low-end grunt. Suspension and brakes. Suspension duties on the Yezdi Roadster are handled by a telescopic front fork and twin rear shock absorbers. Braking is looked after via a 320mm front and a 240mm rear disc, with standard dual-channel ABS. The ABS also comes with 3 standard modes, namely road, off-road and rain. The bike rolls on 18-inch front and 17-inch rear alloy wheels, which are wrapped in 100-section and 130-section tubeless tires respectively. Rivals: the Yezdi Roadster competes head-on with the Royal Enfield Meteor 350. Other alternatives in a similar price range would include the KTM 200 Duke, Honda NES CB 350, Royal Enfield Classic 350, Jawa 42 2.1 and the Royal Enfield Hunter 350. Yezdi Roadster specifications: mileage 28.53 kmpl. Displacement 334 cubic centimeters. Engine type single-cylinder, 4-stroke, liquid-cooled, DOHC. No of cylinders 1. Max power 29.7 PS at 7,300 RPM. Max torque 29 Nm at 6,500 RPM. Front brake disc. Rear brake disc. Fuel capacity 12.5 L. Body type cruiser bikes.